Here is another wheeling. It's coming up. This red light goes, I'll get a good view of it for you folks. I got my camera ready for it. I got quite a few wheelings. I think they used to have Thunderbolts, but I only saw that one on Jay McCarr's siren app. Ah, dang. Another red light. If you notice, this is that one that I filmed on my old channel at Mariah Harstick. Again, this is my new channel at Maria Stick, and I do most of my siren videos on here too. That was my old app, but here's the siren coming up for you guys. Right there. Right there. See it? Yeah, there it is. Enjoy.